How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Razer Synapse not opening or not working. So when you encounter this problem, there's only one reason. You have installed a corrupted version of the Razer application itself. So in order to fix this, you have to completely uninstall the software by heading over to the Add or Remove Programs. From here, simply search for the Razer application, the Razer Synapse. In my case, I'm just going to use the Razer controller setup for Xbox as an example. Click on uninstall, uninstall once more, and then it will completely remove Razer from our device. Now from there, we want a fresh install. So you want to head over to the Razer Synapse webpage, to the official website right here. Click on your operating system, and then basically from there it will then work no problem, as long as you didn't corrupt your internet while you're downloading this software, resulting in another corrupted version of the file. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.